The student's maladaptive behavior case. The student. Jose Contreras is a third-grade student exhibiting traits of maladaptive behavior, thus disrupting the entire class. The main problem is a lack of respect for authority figures and constant attempts to attract attention. Hypothetically, if the specialist instills in the student respect for themselves and the rest of the students, some of the maladaptive behavior can be eliminated. The behavior. The primary manifestation of problem behavior is aggression and disrespect. This behavior manifests itself in harsh communication and disobedience, and it is precisely this behavior that disrupts the work of the entire class. Accordingly, to cope with these symptoms, Jose must learn to control his emotions and keep the concept of the teacher's authority in mind. Motivation. Two factors can be used as motivation for Jose: personal feelings and the need to continue studying. In the first case, it is necessary to convey to the student's consciousness that no one will communicate with him if he continues such behavior. Therefore, he will not be able to receive attention. In the second case, compliance with the study regime will allow Jose to finish the third grade, move on, study exciting things, and stay among his classmates to communicate with them. Method for changing the behavior. To cope with outbursts of emotion and anger, a person needs to calm down first. Breathing exercises will help achieve this goal in classroom conditions since they can be easily modeled even by a child. However, to teach a student to use them, a specialist first needs to establish contact with the child, finding out what exactly annoys him, in a calm state. This development method should be carried out as slowly as possible and in small gradual steps in delicate sentences and explanations in a calm state. Monitoring. To track a student's progress, a specialist can, firstly, track his progress and mark the number of times when Jose obeyed and when he went against the teacher. An increase in the first parameter and a decrease in the second will mean Jose's successful self-managing of emotions. Similarly, this method can be applied to communication with peers through observation of the child. Stress management. Incentives can be used to deal with the stress of behavior change. Thus, a specialist can show Jose that attention from peers and the teacher can be obtained by obedience. Moreover, such behavior brings much more joy and benefit to the student himself.